In every one of our organizations, we have sheep, and we have goats, and you have wolves. A sheep will follow the leader. A sheep will be faithful to the voice of the shepherd. A sheep will find themselves planted on the road towards success, and they only listen to documented success stories that can help them get to the promised land. Those are the sheep. I am a faithful sheep. In your organization, if you are the leader, it is your job to establish the voice, the declaration, so your people have something to follow and be safe. Not just follow because you sound good, they follow you because you have what it takes to keep them safe. I'm talking to sheep right now. You can't be a leader if you don't know how to be a sheep. Sheep doesn't mean weak. It takes a lot of strength for me, from where I'm from, to follow another man wholeheartedly, knowing they're going to keep me safe. I'm a sheep to the process and to the professionalism of the multi-level marketing industry because I feel safe. I don't mind submitting myself to somebody who's going to keep me safe. If you are a leader, it is your job to create a voice, to create a mantra, to create a system that keeps you and your people safe. Listen, I don't care if you steal people from my organization. If you have what it takes to take my people, you deserve them. I'm that confident. I don't recruit professional multi-level marketers, to be honest with you. I raise them up. You come to an event like this with the mindset of finding other networkers. I'm looking for who turned 18 today. I will outbuild you with the mindset of going after big networkers with 18-year-olds. Why? Because I know how to create the voice to keep people safe, to be a shepherd for a sheep to follow. And then you have goats. We all have goats. The tricky thing about a goat is a goat can actually make you think they're a sheep for a certain period of time. But at some point, a goat will expose themselves. And Maya Angelou said, if you allow somebody to talk long enough, they'll tell you who they are. See, a goat, you just got to let them talk. You got to let them show up to events. Because at some point, a goat will expose themselves. But there's a benefit with the goat. The benefit with the goat is you can milk them as fast as you can. See, when I see a goat and somebody identifies themselves as a goat, I'm not casting them off the team. I'm going to milk them for all their contacts before I lose them. See, I know I'm going to lose a goat. At some point, somehow, some way, I'm going to lose this goat. So let me milk this mofo as fast as I can. Let me milk you for all your contacts. Your warm market is about to become my warm market because we're about to go through your list, baby. We about to milk this goat. Your ability or inability to effectively label a goat will cost you or make you millions. If you're going to quote anything I say on social media, you better give me credit for that one. Your ability or inability to effectively identify a goat, it will make you or it will cost you millions. Once somebody identifies they are a goat, you start milking. And hope they have a lot of teats. I ain't never said teat a day in my life. I'm from the hood. If I said teat in the hood, they'd be like, bro, what's up? I'm just trying new stuff right now. I'm trying new stuff. I'm seeing what works. But you milk that goat as fast as you can, and then you have wolves. A wolf comes to kill, steal, and destroy. If you entertain a wolf, that's your fault. If you elevate a wolf and you put a wolf on stage and that wolf takes your entire organization because you elevated them too fast, you gave them a platform just because they had numbers, but they don't have integrity, that makes you a fool. When you see a wolf, they come to kill, steal, and destroy. I have requested wolves to be terminated in my organization, and those wolves ended up leading me to millions in profits. And I had to terminate them because I saw the wolf show up. I can't have this person terminated because they make me too much money. The money that they make you, when you identify them as a wolf, you better cut them as fast as you can because they're going to take everything you have. A wolf comes to kill, steal, and destroy. And when a wolf identifies themselves and you still tolerate that wolf, that's your fault. Every level of leadership, we are dealing with this. You have sheep, you have wolves, and you have goats. And it is your responsibility to identify which one they are. A goat can become a sheep at some point, but you better milk that bad boy just in case they don't. What's your mama name? What's your daddy name? What's your parole officer name? What's your pastor name? Who did your her? I need everybody on your contact list as quick as possible because I have no idea how long I'm going to have you. I don't know. But what I do know, your warm market is about to become my warm market because I don't know if you have what it takes to go from goat to sheep. You try to milk a wolf, that's perversion. You try to milk a wolf, you are a perverted leader. I don't know if I like him no more. I'm just keeping it real. I don't create millionaires by being passive. Every one of my leaders love me and hate me at the exact same time. Why? Because iron sharpens iron. I don't have time to play. We got more schools to build in Guatemala. We've got more wells to dig in third world countries in Africa. I don't have time to play. I need to set people free. I need to be able to call my leaders and say, hey, listen, we're getting on an airplane and we are going to Ghana and we're going to build water purification systems. I don't know how long we're going to be there, but your residual check is up. We got to go. That's freedom. You can't have a wolf in the camp and create freedom at the exact same time. Do you understand what I'm saying? It is our responsibility as leaders in the network marketing, multi-level marketing profession to identify, are you a sheep, are you a goat, or are you a wolf? If you identify yourself as a wolf, that means you came to this place to kill, steal, and destroy. I will slit your throat before I let you take money out of my pocket. But before I let you rob my kids. I'm serious about this. I'm serious about this. My favorite book says I got one assignment and one assignment only. And that assignment is to leave an inheritance for my children's 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 children's. So when I identify a wolf, it's my responsibility to cut them as soon as possible. You have sheep, you have wolves, you have goats. At any moment in any one of those structures, in no particular area, in no particular order, it is your responsibility as leaders to protect your house by implementing and putting into practice. Is this person a sheep? They're faithful. Are they a goat? Let's milk them as quick as we can because we don't know how long we're going to have them. And if you're a wolf, you got to kill, steal, and destroy. You got to go. If I entertain you for an extra second, that's my fault. That's my fault. There are two types of fools on the planet. those who trust anyone and those who don't trust anyone. You better find out as a leader how to balance this thing called leadership. And leaders lead with love. Dictators lead with manipulation. Be the leader. Be a leader by having the strength and the wisdom and the balls to cut a wolf off at the tracks if they ever go against the voice of the house. It has been my pleasure. It's been my honor to serve you in some shape, form, or fashion in this capacity.